The Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3 speaker is known for its distinctive dome design and powerful 360-degree sound. However, if the speaker suddenly refuses to power on or the lights don't respond, the issue is often related to power supply interruptions, loose connections, or internal safety protection. In many cases, a quick inspection and reset can restore normal operation without requiring repairs. By checking the power adapter, cable connections, and performing a simple restart, you can usually bring the speaker back to life within minutes. And try these. Step 1. Check the power adapter and cable to ensure they are securely connected to both the speaker and the wall outlet. Step 2. Inspect the power port on the back of the speaker for dust, debris, or loose connections. Step 3. Plug the adapter into a different power outlet to rule out an electrical supply issue. Step 4. Disconnect the speaker from power for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it to perform a basic reset. Step 5. Press the power button and observe the LED lighting to confirm the speaker turns on and operates normally.